Latvian vocabulary drills, lesson 4. Again, we will be asking questions, but in this case, we will be talking to our male friend. Are you Martin? Vai tu esi Martins? Vai tu esi Martins? And remember, tu esi means that we are informally talking to that person, not the queen, or not your boss. Vai tu esi Martins? Vai tu esi students? Are you a student? And remember, students indicates that this is the male form. Vai tu esi students? Vai tu esi no Sri Lankas? Are you from Sri Lanka? Again, Sri Lanka does not change gender depending on who is living there or who is from Sri Lanka, so this question could be addressed to anybody. Vai tu esi no Sri Lankas? Vai tu esi no Anglijas? Are you from England? Again, neutral, right? Vai tu esi šeit? Are you here? Yeah, this is pretty common when you are on the phone in a crowded place and like asking, where are you? Are you here? Are you here? Vai tu esi šeit? This is how you say it in Latvian. Vai tu esi šeit? Vai tu esi ārsts? Are you a doctor? What does this indicate? This is the male form. Vai tu esi noguris? Are you tired? Noguris. That's the male form. Vai tu esi aizņemts? Are you busy? Vai tu esi mājās? Are you at home? That could be anybody. Vai tu esi darbā? Are you at work? Actually, I just checked my WhatsApp messages. Somehow, vai tu esi darbā? This is the most common question people ask me. Vai tu esi darbā? Vai tu esi darbā? Vai tu esi darbā? I don't know why, but this is somehow the most common when anybody's trying to arrange a coffee break or anything else. Vai tu esi darbā? Vai tu esi gatavs? Are you ready? Again, this is the male form. Vai tu esi gatavs?